Hello,
Hi,
Mazir kania.
ikaw lang kaniya.
YouTube akanin zona te in nei chuanin lo zia kula kan ron chang ka ti khai tu ni kan pa hi jin trep to jin main video min siang pui ka siang pui ang che tia to ni ai zona le chan na kan ron chang do na chuanin ba ram te khoya piang sei lian nge ti pe chuanin om na veng I map nen thleng kan ron mu don chawani aizol in ron kan hai to em min ron jin don em ti vel te chuanin kan pa nen in lampang enge har sada te nem ti te eng to nge nin biak ti vel te kha kami ka kan ron chang do na chuanin ama saberin zona khanin hela hianin oma ama saber mi hi karon chiaranga ramtei phutin ti kha ramtei phutin ti zona kha in pa hi eng nam nge le eng tin nge in ton chuan nangma hi khoilam nge ini ti kha zona nia chuchu kan pa in tuna hian tlem zong ron sei do na eng nam nge ti te khoi tang ron kal nge ti te chu kan pa lo sei do na maybe you can explain a bit where you come from and stuff.
Okay, how about I show you on the map?
Okay. With the
Okay,
map ne ron mu don chaw ni mo ron apyang sei lan na te vel te.
okay. So, I come from an island, very small island called Wallis. And this is Wallis.
Island Wallis mi Wallis map niya mo.
And it's the only island that has a coral reef all around who protect us from the wave. Yeah. And this is our church, a very, very big church.
Nan biak in
And
tuk tak ni.
I live here.
Chu san mani
You can see
omna. Apa tu na omna.
we grow all our vegetables, tomato, salad, cucumber, cassava, all of this we grow here.
Salat te pokman tomato te mon. Kaya kan sin mo niya.
And then I also have my store. This is my dad's store, grocery store.
Bazaar na.
And then this is all my land also. So this small island, so you see here, this is where we are going to build our house.
Oh, our future house.
Yeah, is here.
So you were born here?
No,
Where you born?
this is where I'm from.
This is where you come from?
There's another question you asked where I'm from. This,
Okay.
this is only where I'm from.
So na masaber koi rama mingi France Pacific Islands Wallis anya
Wallis.
ini mo tuan hela hian tlem zong ron sei ve ka du chu hei picture ho karon ta hi kan pa zin lai ya thlak ama thlak vel ani a chuanin hei an rama hianin Christian Catholic ani ta mon mani ho po hi Catholic ani tlan an ni tlang puya chuanin Catholic bek in hi lian ber boka chuanin an mani lam naman ni ta mo marzo kan pa hi lam hi an mani nam lam hi thiam vak lawa an mani angya apate island a hen Australian ve big lawa chuan hei tuna ron lang po hen mani in ni hi tiang khan ania apa hian in tuna hian thlai na agriculture ti mi o khatyang lampang kha tuna hian ti meka hian mani island thenom te ho hi an pe thin ta mo chuanin khatyang khan ti thina chu tiang ver ani wang chuanin chu poisa hi ke mani lama tang hian poisa hi tiang kan thon ti miang thon na tul chuanin nuih khat te tiang tiang kan thon thin ni chumo tuna po hian o khatyang khan ya chuanin hei chu chu nia soi chan chu kan ram karam ma ti ve dona chan chu apa hian in nakina angkim hi ama kuta hian da tuma chuanin timiang retired an ti mi khatyang huna khanin apate island a hianin oma dur tlat boka kha khatilai helai hi kan ke mani len ati kamo khateng ho zong zong kha apa te thla hi lal thla ni dan mani tun mar lal thla ni da chuda chonin in mun le ram hian nei taw ani chuwa chumi ni wang chonin kha kha kanum na tur ti very lo hisab ve china apa hi mi ya min zo ve china angel da mem ti ve te min zo china o apa hi ala dam o thalaka pun ron lang be zo zo hi tilai thalak to na voice over granda na hianin kami kanya join the second questions how you guys meet can you
How did
explain?
we meet? Okay. We were on the same marketing group, and I think I had my WeChat on that group. And then
You commented your WeChat number.
I commented. Oh yeah. And then you sent me a message on WeChat. And then we started talking.
Let me explain more, okay? So Facebook market page pakat hi Facebook ah hian lo lang amo chumi chu China ka thlen tan tira khanin WeChat te ka man tan tir live vel nia chonin WeChat ID khan lum sia ka khami ka screenshot a chonin ka screenshot a kan pa hi a WeChat a ka va eta chonin WeChat a chonin kan dia pia ka lo nom khoba eng marketplace eng market nge du ti vel khami lo zota ka thiam ve der se lawa chonin thian ka nei lawa thian tore me tan katia so I told them you ask me questions what type of like marketing stuff and then actually I don't really understand about marketing stuff but I told you that I just want to have a friend to chat with. That's all.
Just a friend?
Yeah, just a friend become my husband. Okay, next questions. Chonin nang mahi khoi lam mi nge ini mi ti ka mo. Ke mahi khoi lam mi nge ni ti ka. Ke mahi bro mi ka ni a chonin kali myo la om kan ni. In lo shelo takin. Chonin le zo na panina kan lo kal liang. Zo na pani amoy ti ka mo izo na ha kalau char nga ipasal hi engnam nge ni a an lo chor chhuat na ram origin hi enge innu pa khan engtoin nge in biak chin ifa te ka apa in engtoin nge abiak chin in ifanu khan engtong nge thiam ber ti khamin zo na khan lia chonin kan pa hianin khoi mi nge khoi rama local nge piang se lian nge origin te khami kha ipasal hi engnam nge ni alo chor chhuatna ram origin hi enge ti ka khami ka kan pan tu na lo chang do ni
So my origin, so we just talked about my origin on my island, but I was born in France, in Lille, very north of France. And then when I was three, we moved to Germany and for 10 years. And then I went to military school. And then
ela yan kalau soi lok nga wi ti mang ro kha ka ti wang khan confused fe ka ni
during that time, we moved to Africa for 2 years. And then at the end of my study, then I moved to China. And then I studied there. I started working. I met someone there.
which is me.
And and then that's it. And then I moved to US. So I did France, Germany, Djibouti, country in Africa, and then China, and then US.
Can you also explain a little bit more about your dad is in army and then how your dad meet your mom? Your dad is from Pacific Island and then his mom is from France.
Yeah. My mom is from Lille, where I was born. My father is from the Pacific Island that I showed you at the beginning. And they met in Lille because my father was in the military. So they met in Lille. And the fact that he was in the military, that's why I moved a lot from country to country.
Okay, let me explain also in Zoom.
Okay, good luck.
So he was born in Lille
Mizo.
Oh, you was born in Lille, right?
Yeah.
Let's say France, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So France piang mo apahi Pacific Island minia chuanin anuhi France minia apahi military army he sipaya khanin ayan pian ma hian mo atanga chon kami ka anu te kha lil ti tuna soi kami rama khanin kami venga khanin oma France ania chumi chu chon apate he an chol hun ve la hian chumi ra venga chon kal china chu ta chang chon nun na in tonga chu apahi France Pacific Island mi thawan ya mo France thawan ya ma se Pacific Island nia chonin kumthuma ni in Germany ya an sana kumso man oma chon chumi zuwa military ya sikul kala chonin anua in Africa an in pem dia apan na wangin chonin anua China sikul kala aron kala chonin China tangin na te thokat kan kadin tokani chan chumi zo ai chung kwa in US kan son tuna chan ma in sha thiam ka sei kalau sei nok bia in sha thiam tura ngaya chonin nu pa khan eng tongin nge in biak ti kha in nu pa in eng tongin nge in biak ti kha kan nu pa chonin sap tongin English in kan in bia mo chon ifa te ka apa in eng tongin nge biak chin
I talked to Hinata in French.
French tongin na biak thi mo chon ifa nu ka eng tong nge thiam ber I think mizo
Huh? Which language Hinata knows the best?
mhm
She used to know the best English. Then now I think she knows.
mizo
I think Mizo? I think it's the same. Before it was French, Mizo, same level, but English better. And now I think it's all the same because we converted her TV to French, but she spent much more time with her mom and she used English the rest of the time with her friends. So I think it's the same now,
yeah
all the same level.
ai nong do viking san
Smart
mizo
girl.
tong pan mizo tong pa thiama French tong pa thiama English tong pa thiam ni chama chonin le helai zo na pakhali zo na danga kan kai le anga zo na lal shat puya ti zo na kha kalo cherang o nam in ang lo in nei hi boy thak in ti em boy eile ina te in boy pha em ati kan boy passion lo ni ma se eile ina po ni sengin I ai tur ka ai tur shanin ka sum saka ka ai tur shanin ka fate kanin apa ni lo pon ke idan pakhat an du zo zo kan aya chonin chumi wang chon ka boy shan lem lo ei tu na shi chon mo ai ina chonin kan pa hen ai ang ai ka yang ai lawa ai ang ka ai boxi lawa chonin Mizoram in lo zin tum em
We're planning to go to Mizoram second half of next year.
na kuma kan don tumani ron zin
First time in India.
yeah are you excited
Yeah. Especially when I see all the pictures.
yeah thalak vel ka hmu ti thina a phur ta khop me ron zin chanin biak in khom na tur te omem in khom ve thinem biak in a oma mo biak in hi a oma lecture pe zo na tho kan o biak in hi oma chanin kan falam biak in te mizo biak in hi zo om lo ta nam tang biak in falam te ma se ke mani chin mi vek thawan ya mon chanin chu tiang biak in zo oma atir ka jong kan in khom ve thina ma se helai muna kan in sun ta ka chanin antina Christmas te tiang hen falam biak ina kan in khom thina chanin chu ti ni ro chanin sap ti miang mo ke mani veng biak ina kan in khom thin zo na MX to Aris eng tik nge MX2 Aris ti zo na hakalo cherang o eng tik nge ai zo in lo zin thayang na china khan kan lo sei to a na kum ba thla ve la mo na kum ba thla ve la ron zin kan tumak to na ta kan in bot sei tan ne kani chonin question number 5 khoi lai nge in om na mun enge in ei zon na in tikum ma nge in nei in sa ko ai na ngem a zon zo na khoi lai ya nge in om na mun hi atia tu na hianin US akan omani tu na hen US akan omom enge in ei zon na ti kam kan pa hi 3D print lama na en lo na to ka chonin I heta akhat ka mu chonga chunga hen mo akhat ni kuma khan khat pakhat ka mu to chawa chonin kumina chong khat thar nei lia chupa cho khat lui lia khat thar khat chunga hen kalo mu don chawne kan pa na tho chumam chonin kanin nei kum
2019.
December
2019 in
December 28 2019 miola kali miola kan deng
December 27th.
27
Yeah?
okay
No, 27th. Who is right? Let me check. 27? You say 27?
no I'll say 28
You say 28? I say 27. Ready? Oh, maybe you're right. Let me check. Marriage certificate.
upon marriage certificate and don tunga digzo
Marriage certificate.
oh yeah 28
27th is my birthday.
ni sabni pre December ni sabni pre ta kanin kot sui a chonin kan sa khon angem tia ni sa ko hi your religion
Christian.
yes but Catholic right
Sorry. Yeah.
Catholic ani ani chu ole khati jong ka in zona ka ron cha thei how to chu ani a zona dang te la nei ni chonin kon se she lo ulangin I comment la ma po hianin zona in nei le chonin ron zona hi atam lo lut tuka hei tun chi da chonin in sha do tam do te om ni chonin ron in chak to ruma chonin khati jong khalo ni le sengin zona te min zo saka zona te zona in zona te wangin kan lom ba hang nói ale pe ka chon zona tam do comment is ale pe ka po sha do te ni ni chon comment la ma ron ron zona kha I ron zia tel nge rumo chon he kan pa po comment te hi long char ve thina chon viewer te exam ngai nei ti te hi min en sak thina subscriber te exam ngai nei te ti te min en sak thina min phur pu the mani chonin kan video te min lo en saka min lo subscribe te min lo pe saka like te share te comment te min pek sak tu de zong in chunga kan lom tak ta video te kan min lo share sak ve chin ula like te min lo pek sak ve chin ang chau like subscribe
Kalom lutuk.
oh how about you speak a little bit Mizo
Yeah. I cannot make any sentence.
okay
Keparem.
Ibrahim maybe let me ask you okay
Lu koki kubeke.
again can you sing
Lu koki kupleke. Lu koki kupleke le. Bang le meet le. Na le kabe.
kabe
Oh, ka. Lu koki kupleke.
yeah
Some bang knar meet kabe ka koki lu
this is Luna
lu everything lu and then kalom lutuk
maybe Eden
eparem are you full eparem let me think lokoro what else tui something. Drink.
Tui.
Tui.
Mm-hmm.
Then Mutui. Idamem. Dame. How do you say eat again?
Chỗ ấy.
Chỗ ấy. Oh, someone needs wake up.
Cần nâu tê thâu tớ hả? Cần nâu tê thâu à? Ôi mama tê. Thằng đi đó cần nâu tê bố bố thiên gia ra. Ê apa hiền tu na trăng aray đâu tê. Ni ray đâu tê à hiền min zin san to do na min zin san chung hiền ahupur omro rorin pasya bố thiên gia ra. Ê cần nâu tê về thầy lệ tổng độc tu ra ngay ilangin. Ê cần nâu tê. Maybe you can cover his eyes. Ay, cần nâu tê. Ay, cần nâu tê niya. Apa ba yan? Tiyan na blue. Masaya ni. Ole, katizong ka kan video tu sulon lepot sengin amizo thiam zong te poron short ama. Kanin kan video milaw en sakto te in chunga kan lom tak se sita video le pe kan le thau do niya. Bye bye. Peklua ni hi. Bye bye ule.
Bye bye.
Oh, can you tell me your daughter names and your son name in Mizo?
Okay.
Apa pumhing Mizo tung yung say that ni your daughter name?
Kning.
Alram mga i.
Alam. Okay.
Alram mga i.
Ramari.
Okay, he's going to tell me his daughter name. Can you tell me your daughter name?
Lal. Ay. Ram Karai.
Lal ram.
Ram Karai.
Lal ram.
Gram.
Mga
Mai. I.
Okay, how about your son name?
Peklua.
Lal Peklu.
Lal Peklua. Much easier. Shall we change the other name?
Can you say again, Hinata?
Lal Grami.
Mangay.
Agmagi.
Lal ram.
Ram.
Mangay.
Magi.
I. Lal ram mangay.
Lal Grambari.
Khang te kha kan chan chin tlang puiten nia chuanin hei tuna thlak ran thon hi ki mani khuam yo hla kan hong lai kan thlak ania chuanin kan naw ma thang te hi tel ve thei lawa he mi tum hianin chuanin he tek ei kan u naw nia kan u naw zi nga he thlak hi ti so kan del ve to bani so chuanin hei mi kan chung khat te ania chuanin hemi kan in nei kan pre wedding picture vel te ania he ngau hi ma Burma kan hong lai ami chuanin tuna thren khat ran te heng thlak ho hi chu China kan kan in nei hlim vela kan thlak vel te nia hi in khom tura kan kal lai kan kal lampang ania chuanin helai hi hina tai ka rai lai ania hi chu pre wedding tho ania chuanin hemi thlak la hi chu hina tai te lai mo heng hi kan thlak ania hei friends kan kal lai ni boka chuanin hei kan in khwa pre-wedding kan ni angkha khatyang picture ni boka chuanin hei tuna thlak ron lang le tur hi kan pa te unaw zi an unaw ve kan ni ta unaw thum an nya mo ana mai cha na mi pa chuni hi island an omlaya hei apa anu pui na thina nya hi island apa ni mo island azin lai mi chuni hi a cousin island a cousin te ni boka hi ama thlak ania ama lak mi nge ni island an kot tual vele mi ni boka chana hi apa le anaw mi pa nia hi no pan lai ani boka chonte ron lang turi island na athlaki ani chu thian nei ve kan chon island logo ang hi mo chana hi an atle ro lai alam na ani hi chana hi apa le apate le anaw le ama ni hi chana hi kan pa ki da po thi nei ki kite atu na po kan la ko la thi mo hi no pan lai ani boka chon hi apate in